Yep. Called it. 3-lane. Oh, what a move! The double lane crossing, cutting off the Jeep Patriot. A few weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I forgot to zip up my jacket pocket on the way home from work, and well, I lost my phone and my AirPods. The phone miraculously was recovered. The AirPods not so much. Frankly, it's a miracle that I found the phone. I'm fortunate that I had recently shared my location. Ooh, GTR. A little wing on there too. A little Nismo GTR. I'm very fortunate that I had recently shared my location with my girlfriend, and she still had it. And lovely Apple allowed us to ask directions directly to the phone on the side of I-64. And we found it, and the screen was smashed, and we took it to the Apple store, and with my Apple Care I paid $30 to have the screen replaced, and it works just like new. Anyway, it's amazing that I found the phone and that I was able to recover it and get it repaired, and it was okay. Ooh, nice little Supra too. Everyone's got their nice sports cars out here on Friday there, eh? I don't know why I'm doing a Canadian accent, but I am. I'm in the wrong gear. Yes, I am. It's probably really obnoxious. And now we're gonna get on the highway and you're not gonna be able to hear me. Alright, let's stop this annoying voice now. It's Friday, baby! Love me some Fridays. I used to, every Friday on the way home from work, I used to listen to Kickstart My Heart by Motley Crue, and that was my like Friday night, leaving work, let's get hyped for the weekend kind of music. You know, one of the things I really like about motorcycling is it just makes you so much more aware of the world around you. Mostly cars and people that are bad at driving them, but it makes you so much more aware. Like, I feel like I can predict now when someone's gonna pull out in front of me, or it's a lot easier to determine if someone's on their phone or, you know, whatever it is. But yeah, my bike is absolutely filthy, and genuinely I don't think I've actually washed it since I bought it last year. Maybe wiped it off, but it is so gross right now. It was wet on the way to work this morning, and I was riding, and it is disgusting. We're about to cross 3,000 miles. We only have 170 miles to go, which will be easy on a beautiful day like today. I hope it's gonna be this nice for a few days. It's been very typical spring. Very typical spring. You know what, it's so funny. I've lived in several locations in my life, several climates, you would say. I lived in the Midwest for a good portion of my upbringing. I've lived on the East Coast for a good portion of my upbringing. Weather is, by its very nature, unpredictable, and yet somehow people think that their particular region of the country has the most unpredictable weather. Like, oh my gosh, it'll be cold and hot in the same day. It's like, yeah, that's what weather is. You know, unless you live in San Diego, California, where it's going to be sunny, 75 every day, 365, you know, weather changes, and it's spring especially. Like, yeah, it was 60 and cold yesterday, it's 80 and hot today, it was snowing awake like a month ago. You know, weather in its very nature, especially on the East Coast, is very unpredictable. So no, your particular area of the country is not special because, oh my gosh, the weather's so random. That's just like weather, especially if it's not like summertime or wintertime. Like, if it's fall or if it's spring, it's gonna be rainy and cold and warm and sunny, and there's just no really rhyme or reason to it. I mean, I'm sure there is. I'm sure some sort of meteorologist could tell me that there's rhyme or reason to the randomness of the weather. Anyway, weather is not so random in your particular neck of the woods. It's so random everywhere. This is quite random, these thoughts that I'm having. I'm just happy to be commuting home from work, and I'm wearing a jacket and jeans, no undergarments. I'm not like the frickin' Michelin man. I'm just comfortable. It's sunny and beautiful, and I just kind of wanted to spread that positivity today. You know, enjoy whatever weather you have, whether it's rainy or sunny. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, as I am having a wonderful day on this beautiful Friday evening on my commute home. I hope you have a wonderful day. Get off your phone. Mr. FedEx man, are you trying to come over here? I think you might be. Your body language is... I don't know. Maybe not. Yep. Called it. 3-lane. Oh! What a move! The double lane crossing, cutting off the Jeep Patriot. Can you hear me? Probably not. It's probably very loud, as it is in my helmet. All on-ramps should be like a mile long. I know that's not practical, but it would be nice if they were. Alright, let's see. Where can we slot in here? Okay, let's get past you. Okay, there we go. I don't like this particular part of the highway because I need to get off on the right exit, and I like to be in the right lane, but also people need to get left, and people are zapping past. I don't know why I talk in like an effeminate voice sometimes. I also sing songs sometimes. I don't know why I do that, but I do. Maybe it's endearing. Maybe it's obnoxious. Who knows? You're about to witness the only bit of lane filtering I get to do in Richmond. Did it a little too quickly. It smells like popcorn. I don't know why it does. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this weird, wacky video. I'll see you next time. Peace.